Alright, NFL fans, did you blink and miss the Vikings offense? Because let's be honest, if you were waiting for a Vikings touchdown last night, you're probably still waiting. The Atlanta Falcons swooped into Minnesota and left with a 22-6 win. But here's the twist. The Falcons defense pretty much locked the doors, threw away the key, and told the Vikings, no touchdowns for you. Seriously, Atlanta sacked the Vikings quarterback count 'em, 5 times in the first half alone. If you're a Vikings fan, that's called character building. Meanwhile, rookie defenders Billy Bowman Jr. and Xavier Watts snagged 2 picks, making the Vikings offense look like they were playing with oven mitts. Even the Falcons kicker, Parker Romo, just poached straight off the Vikings practice squad, had the night of his life. 5 field goals, 0 misses, and a new franchise record for a debut. Not bad for a guy who probably still had Minnesota's playbook in his pocket. But let's talk about the man of the night, Bijan Robinson. Pre-game, the experts were drooling over his stats, betting he'd break 68.5 rushing yards and 24.5 receiving. He didn't disappoint. He danced, he dashed, he grabbed first downs like they were snacks at a Super Bowl party. And while the Falcons' offense wasn't exactly explosive, Tyler Allgeier finished what Bijan started, powering through for the only touchdown of the night on a drive so long, even the Vikings defense needed a water break. The final score? Falcons 22, Vikings 6, with Atlanta strutting away and Minnesota still searching for the end zone. So, Falcons fans, enjoy the party, because when your defense dominates, your kicker breaks records, and your rivals forget how to score, you've earned a victory dance. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tell me how many sacks you think the Falcons D will rack up next week.